Hi, I hope you're doing good and staying safe in this, pandemic period. A lot of people ask me, when this pandemic is going to be over and when will market price development of a vaccine and grow from there, and the impact of corona will go away from the current levels in the market. I always tell them that the markets won't wait for the release of the vaccine. A lot of investors who are new to the markets believe that markets will wait for the announcement of the release of the vaccine to be able to correct and come back to previous levels and even more, uh, basically make up for the lost period. But that doesn't happen. Markets are always, as you know, going by the expectations. So markets will at max wait for a news release of a successful trial in phase 3, phase 4, and a release of a vaccine probable or certain in the next few months. And that's all that the market is going to wait for before taking the surge from here. And whenever markets have been hit badly by reasons beyond just financial, they have bounced back with a V recovery, and we expect the same this time as well. However, the markets are not going to wait till the next year, quarter one, if that's the date many people are putting at for the release of a vaccine, because markets are all about expectations. The real event happens later. Markets already price in a lot of what they need to price in the real event at the time of, much before the real event happens. So a lot of you, if you are expecting the returns and the market to grow after the release of the vaccine, that may not happen. It may happen sooner. And we have already started seeing some signs. A lot of experts believe that markets do see the future, and I'm not from that category. I don't believe the markets have that kind of a capability to see the future. I do believe, however, that markets will react a lot to expectation and sentiments. The real event takes place much later. However, the markets price in the real event quite quickly. So I believe there is going to be steam in the market in the next few months, and that steam is going to recover previous levels like 12,000 for the Nifty in the next 1 or 2 months, because on the COVID front, the vaccine front, a lot of good news is coming out, and you must have recently heard about Oxford University's unit within Oxford University developing the vaccine and having successful trials till phase 3. So I think the markets will just wait for that kind of a news to come, that they have successfully made it and it is moving to production now, and they will reach back the lost time and the lost levels, and they will not wait for next year for the vaccine to actually come out in the hands of the people and to be released from the facilities, manufacturing facilities. So don't peg your event of entering the market at at a time where the production of vaccine is going to happen and the actual release of vaccine is going to happen. In case you want to enter the market, you have to enter it much before the real event of the production of the vaccine, and the successful completion of trials and final approval of a vaccine will be the key point where the markets will surge back to the previous levels. So do watch out for those triggers. A lot of news is coming out which is positive, that we may be 1 or 2 months away from such a time where one of the many efforts in creating corona virus vaccine may result in a positive news, and one of them may be successful in saying that we have gone through all the trials, our results are positive, and we are going to start production. And that's the time when you're the opportunity to win that 10-20% or even more will go away, because that's where the markets will fully recoup, and you might see the markets trending normally when the actual commercialization of the vaccine takes place next year probably. All of these events of course come with their respective probabilities. Nobody can be sure till the time it happens. However, a lot of investors, including myself, we go by thematic, kind of investing. We go by themes, we go by the events, economic events across the world, announcement by Feds, Reserve Banks, a lot of that. So people who believe in investing basis events, I think it's a good time to really see whether you feel the markets will be back soon, and the announcement of a positive corona vaccine trials being successful, that's the event for the market, not the production. So if you believe that's around the corner, the markets are definitely going to react to it, and they're going to react sharply, given that they have been going through a lot of tough times due to this uncertainty around vaccines. And the uncertainty will go away as soon as the announcement comes, and once the uncertainty is out, the markets should correct back to the normal. Other than that, I expect usual activities, with respect to the markets going flattish for now. But as soon as there are some positive expectations around the vaccine, the markets are going to correct and win back a lot of fortunes that you may have lost in the last many months due to corona vaccine and due to coronavirus. And with this, I just wanted to bring this to you because a lot of people still believe that the actual events will lead to growth in their portfolios and maybe the right entry points. Whereas if you go by the actual real events and not the expectation of real events, you might miss the bus. So it's just important to have some views about the future. In case your views come out to be correct, you stand to make money in the market. I'm not someone who does a lot of intraday trading or trading based on short-term events. However, looking at the themes, Corona has affected the market badly, and it is bound to come back if things go normally. So two things: if your view is that we are going to overcome Corona with a vaccine, one. Second, you believe that news is going to come sooner than later. If these two are correct, then it's the right time to enter. If you feel that the corona vaccine is nowhere in sight, of course, this is not the right time to enter. However, if you think the corona vaccine is around the corner and we may be getting the sharp recovery soon, might as well think about what you want to buy, what has suffered in the corona period, which will do well today. You could look at sectors like aviation. You could look at sectors which have been hampered badly, like hospitality, even though you don't get a lot of stocks in India in the hospitality space. Some of them have poor profitability and poor books. So you could look at aviation certainly, and you could look at some other stories which have been impacted very badly because of coronavirus. And that could be one theme to work on. But all of this depends on what your view is. I am trying to only prod so that you think about it and you develop a view and you are able to take advantage of thematic investing, which is based on your views. And if your views come out right, you definitely stand to make a lot on your investments. And if they don't come out, they do not come out right, you learn from them, and you basically, as I told you in one of my videos, that you always invest a part of your capital and you always keep most of your capital for averaging down. So if your view is correct but is going to be correct few months down the line, but you enter the market today, you can use the time in between to average down your investments, and everything depends on your faith, on your view. So these are some thoughts that are coming to my mind. I thought of sharing them with you, and I wish you all the best. I hope you remain safe. That's the most important. Investing, making money, creating wealth is secondary. I wish you great health, and I wish you stay safe. And we'll keep coming together for such interesting discussions. If you have any comments, please leave them below the video. And in case you want to tell me something, that's the place to write. And if you are liking what I'm bringing to you, you can subscribe to my channel so that you don't have to find me every time. It's right there in your YouTube homepage. Thanks a lot for watching, and I wish you a great time investing. Stay safe both inside and outside the world of investing.